Oh yeah, we're talking two ingredients, high protein. It takes about 17 seconds to make, and it's gonna make you feel good, stabilize that blood sugar, and at the end, I'm gonna show you a little hack to give it like a fiber boost. Be feeling like $1,000,000. Let's go. All right, let's kick it off with our star of this snack slash meal, the good old hard-boiled egg. Of course, you could prep these ahead of time. You could make a dozen at a time, keep them in the fridge. They have pre-packaged ones as well as many supermarkets. People say, well, the cost of eggs are going up. Yeah, but they're still about 50 cents each as of this recording, which is still about a quarter the price of a candy bar. And you've got the protein and it makes you feel good. All right, we're starting with the egg, and depending on the size, it could be about 6 or 7 grams of protein. And I'm going to show you all of my cooking skills right here. That's it. Chop it in half. All right, so after we chop the egg in half, as Bon Jovi said, oh baby, we're halfway there. Ingredient number 2 is one of my favorites. I always have it in the fridge. Ladies and gentlemen, guac. It just tastes delicious. It's good for you. And all I'm going to do is just take a little bit. I don't know what that is. Half a spoon. Put it right on top of that egg. Now that by itself, you can have breakfast, you can have for lunch, it could be a snack. Again, it's gonna fill you up, stabilize that blood sugar. But Ryan, how do I boost this baby? Here we go. We are gonna add my favorite, a little combination of chia, flax, and hemp seed right on top of it. Let's just sprinkle it. These kind of seeds not only taste good, but they're so good for you. They add lots and lots of fiber. And there we go. Seriously, I mean, look how good this looks. You can have this anytime. Take a bite, pop it in your mouth. Oh, man. So good. And that goes perfect with your morning cup of coffee. Which just shows all you need is a little bit of thought ahead of time. Again, making some hard-boiled eggs or having them in the fridge and having the guac ready. You can have these snacks anytime, and it's much better than going for a bag of chips or a candy bar. And speaking of awesome and feeling good, okay, we didn't. How do you like that transition? My boombox is coming soon, where you're going to get my meals, my workouts, our daily motivational cards, all this good stuff. All you have to do is write the word boom in the comments below. BOOM, right in the comments below. You get on the waiting list, and we're going to boom this box together. All right, that made no sense. But like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.